Speaking of AKs, there's this really neat sling that the guys at Mossberg told me about. Hi, James. Nice to meet you, Stefan.
Thank you very much for being here.
My buddies at Mossberg said that this is the best AK sling they've ever seen, so they sent me over here to talk to you. I know nothing about it.
Wonderful.
And so give us the full rundown.
Yeah, so basically we have a 2-point sling. As every 2-point sling goes bigger, goes shorter. And what we actually do is, and that's the new thing that I just patented, is you take your leading hand and push it through here. And now you pull the rifle into your shoulder using your larger forearm muscle to control the recoil. You will see that you're much steadier by just pushing the rifle back into your shoulder, especially the full auto AK-47s. They rattle like hell. I know you know that. And what we also do is I basically came up with the idea for the shotgun market, home defense in the US, because the 12 gauge, they kick. And as Clint says, guns put holes in people. I know the whole thing.
Pistols put holes in people, rifles put holes through people. Shotguns, right load, right range, take a chunk of shit off.
Yeah. So the 12 gauge kicks, we want to keep the muzzle down and everywhere where you cannot place a tactical grip, because at the end of the day, that's what it is. We try to not replace, but in certain situations when you need that extra power and feel that strength, you get it and you gain the control on full auto shots or on high caliber rifles. Like everything that's chambered in 308, 7.62x54 rimmed, everything that's a little bit heavier in recoil. And the coolest thing is that we can use it as a DMR system. So I just grab onto any wall or onto any tree. The rifle hangs like this. Now, if I'm pushing in there, I'm really stable and I can take shots on long range. And I don't have to do that fiddly thing with the thumb. Just loop in, pull tight, take off shots.
This is pretty neat. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I think this is really neat.
You loosen it here, yeah. You lose it here, just like every other 2-point sling.
And then I can
pull in.
Tighten it up a little bit, and then.
Now pull in for, exactly.
Oh yeah, there we go. No, this is a great concept. How are these available? Like, how could I get one of these?
Well, the company's 8 weeks old.
Okay.
Not joking. I spent last year on making
your kids' college tuition went into this thing.
No, but to be honest, last year was patent process, get all the legal stuff done, and we were testing it on full auto rifles with the guys from Haenel. So we really tried to did our homework, tried to did our math, and we are ready, I would say, in 2.5 months to ship out globally.
Okay, and I'll be able to get one of these in the US then?
Yes.
Okay.
You're the first one in the US who gets it, promised here, live.
Okay, yeah, there we go.
TFBTV.
Yeah. But right now we're looking at the most expensive sling in the entire show, right? Like, just to get this one going, this one produced.
No, you know what, but I brought 4 to the show. One went out to the military in Sweden, and the other AK sample goes out to you.
Okay, you guys hear that? See, there are some perks every now and then from running a shitty YouTube channel. Let me ask you the most important question. How much is it going to cost? Do you know?
Yes, as so far for the European market, this will be at 85 euros, which would probably around 90 bucks.
Okay.
And we will offer a great margin for all of our retailers, which will be around the 35% line. It's indestructible. When I was planning the show, I thought I'd bring a pull-up line. I couldn't get it to break so far. We're working with the best. We can make it melt and drip proof. We can make it fully infrared secure if needed. And we're working with the best guys in the industry to make the best rifle sling on the planet.
Well, it's pretty cool. I mean, I've got to say it's pretty cool. Time will tell. You're still a brand new company, but this is a promising concept. Thank you for sharing it with us.
James,
I really
appreciate
it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.
Thank you.
We'll bring you more from Enforce Tech 2025.